of the game. It's a rich thing.
Hello, how may I help you, sir?
I'm only surprised. Who are you? Or, better still, what are you?
I am the new artificial intelligence robot that handles reports, reviews, tech support, and contracts.
This is unbelievable. This robot just mentioned my job description and it's sitting right here in my office. Let me go and see my boss and tell him what is happening here. A robot on my own seat in my own office?
Good morning, Mr. Elias. Have a seat.
My boss, this is not a matter of sitting down at all. I saw a robot inside my office. Okay, we closed official work on Friday. Everybody went home for the weekend. I'm resuming work this Monday morning. I'm seeing a robot inside my office, pressing computer. I even asked the robot, what are you? Or who are you? The robot just mentioned my job description, that it is doing review of reports, that it is a contract engineer, and that it is doing tech support. I don't understand what is going on here, sir.
How often do you check your email?
Sir, you know, I went home for weekend now. I do not really check my email at home. If I had access to my office now, I would have checked my email. I always check my email at work.
Oh, no wonder. Well, an email was circulated to quite a number of our employees here, up to 70% of our employees here. The emails were sent out on Saturday. If you had read your email, you would have realized that your services are no longer needed here. And it's not only you, 70% of our staff strength has been shared, and replaced by artificial intelligence robots like the one you saw in your office.
Jesus is Lord!
This must be a joke, sir. You want to replace a first-class graduate of civil engineering? And I have worked for you for more than 5 years. Very hardworking and dedicated. You want to replace me not with a human being, but with a robot. This is very, very unfair.
Well, young man, in business, we don't deal with emotional stuff. So don't try to come and give me emotional blackmail. Okay? Now, we work from 9 to 4 o'clock on a daily basis. That is 7 hours. Okay? Now, we have lunch break and coffee break, which can take maybe 2 hours. So effectively, people work 5 hours here every weekday. That's with the exception of Saturdays and Sundays. Now, tell me, how long does it take you to review a report that they send in from the field?
Well, it takes me like an hour, to critically analyze the report, give them a review, give them tech support and advice based on my experience. 1 hour will make me do a thorough job on every report. That means that on a daily basis, I can review like 5 reports on a typical working day and give adequate tech support to the guys on the field.
So it takes you 1 hour to review 1 report. So in total, you review max 5 reports per working day, with the exception of weekends. Okay, now let me tell you, that robot in your office reviews 1,000 reports in 1 hour. That is the capacity. Okay, that robot in your office does not get stuck in traffic and come here to give excuses. That robot in your office does not take sick leaves. That robot in your office does not ask for salary increment, does not join unions, does not come to the office to use our internet to go on Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, no.
That robot in your office does not play office politics. That robot in your office wife cannot get pregnant and he will give excuse, I want to spend some time with my wife. That robot in your office, we don't pay it any salaries. That robot in your office does not go on leave. That robot in your office does not observe weekends. That robot in your office right now is more effective than you, it is faster than you, and it is everything more than you. It is everything that you are not. That robot cannot be sick or be going through emotional. No girl can break that robot's heart and the robot will say, I'm not going to work today.
Boss, so you want to replace a human being with a robot? Don't do this now. Okay, I know the robot might be more effective than me at my job, but there are other things I do with you now. At least I come here and I discuss politics with you and tell you, oh, did you watch the news yesterday? Look at what this country is turning into. I can even advise you when you have issues. Can that robot give you any advice?
You be mumu.
Don't worry, if it is advice you want to be advising me, you can be advising me via WhatsApp now. I have your number. Stay in your house. Anytime I need advice, I will chat you. Elias, the advisor. See what I'm going through. You will advise. You think I'm here to pay salaries to people for advising me? See, let me tell you, advice is very common. Even a madman on the street can advise you if you have any problem. So take your advice home. You have been fired and replaced by an artificial intelligence robot who is faster and more effective than you. Have a nice day, Mr. Elias.
Sorry, yo.
So this is how I become jobless. The economy was hard on me even when I had a job. So now that I don't have a job, how am I going to survive? Well, let me go to my girlfriend's house first. Let me go and chill out, eat some good food, then tell her my problem. Then she will be able to console and advise me. Yes, let me go to Amaka's house. Amaka will never disappoint me.
Oh, Elias, but I wasn't expecting you. At least you should have called me before coming to my house. I don't like when people barging on me.
Come on, Amaka. Are you not my girlfriend of 3 years? Why should I call you before coming to your house? And why are you standing in front of me as if I'm not welcome into your house? Shift! I have something to tell you. And I want to spend some time with you before going home.
Please, I need you to start going. Start going home, please. See, if you observe, for the past 1 week, I have not chatted or called you. Let me tell you the truth. I have moved on. I have a new man in my life now, and he is around. I don't want him to see you here. Please, just go. Turn around and leave, please.
2 disappointments in a day. Amaka, you disappointed me. No wonder Two-Face Idibia sang the song. Amaka disappoint me. I should have known. Look at you. So you have started dating that your bestie that you attended university with. I know he must be the one. Yes, that boy has been waiting for us to have problem in this relationship so that he will take my place. God will judge you.
Let me tell you, I did not replace you with any human being. I am dating a robot now, for your information.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing?
I love you, baby.
You are even kissing the robot right in front of me. Amaka, your life have spoiled. You leave a full-fledged man like me. You went after a robot. And the Mumu robot is saying, I love you, baby. Let me tell you, when the battery of the robot is going to be low, or when there is a glitch and the robot malfunction, it is this robot that is going to kill you. Bet me. Bet with me. This robot will be the one to kill you. Please, I don't want to hear any, justice for Amaka. She was killed by her robot lover. It is none of my business. Have a nice day with your relationship. Make sure you invite me for your wedding. Rubbish.
Yes, thank you. It is none of your business. You see this robot? This robot is not tribalistic. If I marry this robot now, there's nothing like, oh, my mother-in-law does not like me, my brother-in-law does not like me. This robot does not have a tribe, it does not have a father or a mother. And this robot is very faithful. This robot does not run after everything in skirts. This robot does not chat with other girls or go on social media and be looking at big bum bum and big boobs. Okay? So this robot is very loyal to me. Unlike you run after everything in skirts. Your mother is extremely tribalistic. I don't even know whether they will accept me if you take me home. This robot is motherless, fatherless, and does not cheat.
Amaka, we are saying the same thing now. Motherless, fatherless, does not cheat. That is why when it kills you, you will not be able to charge it to court because it has no tribe, no father, no mother, nothing. The lawyer or the judge will just say, oh, the battery was low, so the robot malfunctioned and killed you. Rest in peace. That's all.
He shock you.
I think I really need to go and meet Victor Isibor now. Today only, robot 2, me 0. Robot is not only collecting people's jobs, it is collecting their girlfriends too. We are in trouble. At least Victor Isibor knows a lot of people. He's very, very influential and connected. Let him help me to get a new job first. When I get a new job, I will now start looking for a new girlfriend. Let me go and meet Victor Isibor. Victor Isibor, I've had a very long day. Today has been a bad day for me. Please call your maid, that your Calabar girl maid. Call her over. Let me tell her what I want to eat. After eating, then I will now tell you what I have gone through today. It's been a tough day for me. Call your maid, call your house help to come and ask me what I want to eat so that she can go and prepare it for me first.
Wow, you must be really, really hungry. Okay, no problem. Don't worry, my maid will prepare something nice for you, okay? 011423445. Appear.
70 years old man.
Victor Isibor, how may I help you?
Okay, Elias, I will press a few buttons on her body. The moment I press that button, you just name the food you want to eat. It will enter into its system. Then it will go into the kitchen to prepare it for you. The name of the robot is Katrina. I have sacked that Calabar girl, okay? She's always sleeping on duty. I think she got pregnant or something. So I sent her out. One of these small boys got her pregnant, okay? So this is my new maid. It's an artificial intelligence robot. It's a chef. So when I press the prompt button, just mention the food you want to eat. Let the robot go into the kitchen and cook it for you. It will be ready in little or no time.
Wait, what are you telling me? So you sacked that Calabar girl that knows how to cook afang soup? That girl with big bum bum, you sacked her. Then you went to bring a robot from China to cook. You are telling me that you press one button on this robot's body. Me, I will now mention soup. It will now go and cook. How can this robot cook afang soup for me? With fufu? No, tell me, the way you people are doing. Today, my office replaced me with a robot. I was sacked. I went to Amaka's place so that she can console me. Amaka is already dating a robot. They are even planning to get married. Now I come to your place. Let me eat first before I tell you what I've experienced today. You call a robot out as your own maid, as your house help. When these robots will start killing all you people, don't cry out, oh.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
See, I'm no longer hungry. Tell your robot to go back to his cage.
Not be juju be that.
I'm no longer hungry. Victor Isibor, how can you help me to get a new job? That is why I came here. I did not come here for a robot to go and cook poison for me. How can you help me to get a new job? Please. I just lost my job today.
Wow, you have learned the hard way. But I've always said it, that robots are going to replace human beings. Okay? You cannot remain stagnant. You need to keep learning. Artificial intelligence is the future of everything, and you have to key into it. Now, a robot has replaced you not only at your place of work, and also in your relationship. Coming here to come and tell me about the whole matter, you found out that no human being is working for me anymore. A robot is my new chef. You see, this my new chef does not ask for a pay rise, is very effective, is very fast, and does his job very well. So for you to start making money, stop looking for a job. That job now, another robot will collect it from you. Start making money in the crypto space, leveraging on artificial intelligence.
Oh, I should be making money via crypto. But you know I don't know how to trade now. Unless you want to teach me how to trade so that I will start trading by myself.
My brother, be smart. There's no need for you to go and be learning how to trade crypto manually. Robots have also conquered that area. You see the way robots conquered Amaka, your girlfriend, and conquered your job, it has conquered crypto and forex. People now automate their trades. Robots are the ones trading for them. Let me tell you, if you have some money to rent a robot, pay the annual subscription. I'll link you up with a robot that can be trading crypto for you, and you'll be making money on a daily basis. Now that you don't have any job, that robot will sustain you, making sure you have money till you get another job. You can even make a lot of money from this robot that you decide to be using it full time without looking for any other job or working for somebody anymore in your life.
Wow, that would be awesome. That will be awesome, Victor Isibor. Thank you very much. I will look in the description of this video. I will chat you via WhatsApp so that you will tell me how I can begin to automate my trades in the market. Thank you very much, Victor Isibor. I am really hungry. Please, press the prompt on the body of your robot and tell it to cook amala with gbegiri and ewedu so that I can eat.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
5 years of madness.